Okay, very good morning, folks. Well, we're now on Tuesday, the 26th of February. It's 8:15 and 50 seconds. Okay, we're coming back to see if we can get a little bit of trading done on your 60 seconds binary. Now then, what we've got, just let's double check because I want to just check my announcements. We've got the GBP at 10 o'clock. A couple of announcements there, 11 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock. Some high, medium and low announcements. So we've got to be very, very cautious and careful that we're not going to trade close to those announcements. Okay, so put that away and let's start looking for some trades. And until then, I'm just going to put you on hold. Okay, folks, we've got a potential here on the USD CAD. We're going to be putting a trade. I'll just put you on hold until we get closer to the entry. Okay, we're going to go short on this. Well, we can see we've still got 53 seconds to go, so I'm just going to put you on pause again and come back. Okay, well, at the moment it's against me, so what I'm going to do, as normal, we're going to get ready. We're going to get ready to double up. Okay, remember, we're going short on this, so it's a down trade, okay, a put trade. I think it's definitely going to go against us, so what we're going to do is we're going to get ready and we're going to open the trade here to go short. So this is our double up. This is our first double up trade. You can see that we lost the last one at €5. We're now on a €10 trade. Once again, I'm going to get ready to double up on that. So that's my €20. Click on the down for the put and get ready. Okay, so we're ready now to take that short trade on the third attempt if we need to take it. But at the moment, we're in the winning trade. So just let me again go on pause and I'll come back shortly. Okay, then we're back here. Well, we're still on this 3, 2, 1. There we go. We won that trade. Okay, so we're back online. Just put you on the hold now until we find the next one. Okay, folks, we could have a potential on the euro. So let's bring the euro in play, euro USD. We're going to be making an up call. So again, I'm just going to put you back on hold until it fits our entry criteria. Okay, Euro USD not quite playing ball with us. It's not hit the criteria, so it looks like we might not be playing that. Again, patience is key. We just have to wait until we find the right entry, folks. Okay, once again, we're going to watch the Euro USD. If it comes online, we're going to be making a call, so an up long trade. If it hits our criteria, we're just going to watch and see this and get ready for a potential entry. Okay, we're going to enter this, and we're going to enter this on a long trade, an up trade, okay. Again, we're going to get ready just in case we need to double up our trade, so that way we're all ready. It'll be an up trade if we need to call, okay. If we need to get in there, it'll be a call up trade. So it's all set, it's all ready. We just need to wait now. 42 seconds to go. I'm just going to put you on pause until we get a bit closer. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and 0. We're expiring, and we have another little win there, okay. So we've won that one. So now what we need to do, once again, we need to just wait, sit back, and wait for the next opportunity. Put you back on pause. Okay, I'm just going to check my alerts because my alarm's just gone off. So we've got 60 minutes for the GBP inflation report hearing. High impact, so we need to be a little bit careful there. So we'll keep to one side on that one, okay. When that gets closer, of course, no trading within 15 minutes. Back on pause. Okay, once again, we've got another potential on the euro, but I think we might be a couple of minutes away from that, but we'll just get ready for that. So there's a potential on the euro. If we're going to trade that, I'll obviously come straight back. Actually, the USD CHF, that looks like that might be coming in quicker. So let's find that. USD CHF. Okay, will natural fact be on a call trade on this one? too slow, missed the trade. Oops, well, again, will be another opportunity, so we'll just leave that alone because I wasn't concentrating on the market. So once again, we're going to have to just leave this and wait for the next entry, potential entry. Okay, so I'll leave that for now and come back when we have the next entry. Okay, once again, we've got a potential that the euro may come online for us. Now, today we've also got quite a few issues. We'll be calling this, by the way, which is going long. But today we've got a few issues because the Eurozone, Italy, has not managed to get majority in Parliament. So again, there's some Eurozone issues. So we just have to be a little bit cautious as well today, because today might not be the greatest day to trade. But let's watch what we're doing and just let's again be patient and wait for these for the actual right situation, the right trade to come online. And if it does, if everything fits the strategy, then of course we can take the trade. So back on hold until it falls in place. Okay, the euro might be coming into play, so we just have to wait now for everything just to fall into place. We might be entering a long trade, so an up trade on the open of the next candle. So let's get ready, shall we? Just have to now watch and wait for the market to fall in place for us. Okay, so I'm going to enter the trade. No, I'm not. Something, have I not called it? Oh, looks like I've frozen. Looks like my platform has frozen, folks. Oh, lovely. That's all we need. Okay, let me have a look at this. I'll come back very shortly. Well, I'm not quite sure where we went there. It looks like, in actual fact, I did open the trade. I opened the previous trade as well. So I'm not quite sure where we went with that one. That was a little bit odd, folks. I can only apologise for that one. It looks like we're in this trade. Okay, well, I've never experienced that before, but let's see what happens. I think it's actually taken one off me there by the looks of things. Well, that's very unusual. Anyway, let's move on. Let's see what happens here. Again, it seems to have just frozen on me here. So I'm going to close the platform down and come back online. Okay, so just give me a second. Okay, folks, well, that's certainly something you don't want to happen. I'm not quite sure why that happens, but for some reason it froze on me. I'm not quite sure why. Well, there you go. That's something you don't want to happen. But it looks like we were, in actual fact. I did place the trade. It did hit, so we've got now at 326 euros. So we did win the trades. It looks like I placed 2 trades. Well, that's great. But as I say, that's something you really don't want to happen, and that's not happened to me before. So just a little bit of caution with that one. Okay. Well, until we get the next opportunity, once again, I'm just going to put you on hold. Okay, folks, I'm going to take a quick look at why that froze on me. It was the browser that, in actual fact, froze. It's certainly not Bank the Binary. It's the browser that froze on me. So I'm just going to have a look at that. So I'm going to finish this session. You can see there that we're now at 326. So remember, we started at 250, didn't we? So you've got your 326. Let's have a look. We're now at 30%, so 30.4% increase on our initial deposit, okay? So I'm going to call it a day just there, and I'm going to have a look at this issue that I potentially got with my browser, folks, and see what the issue is there. So I'll maybe come back later. If I do, then obviously there'll be another session straight after this, otherwise potentially tomorrow. Okay, catch you later. Okay, folks, I'm going to take a look at another binary 60-second option session. Okay, we're still at the 326. It's now nearly 1:15 in the afternoon, GMT, Tuesday, the 26th. Okay, so this is just leading on from this morning's session, and we're going to see if we can maybe catch a couple more trades. Okay, so until something comes up, I'm just going to put you on hold. Okay, folks, we've got a potential for a USD CHF. Okay. So let me just try and find this. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be playing short. So we're putting the trade. Okay, let's go. So we're in the trade. You can see 53 seconds to go. Just in case we need that double up, I'll get that ready right now. Okay, so we're ready for that trade. I'm just going to put you on pause until we get a little bit closer. Okay, then we're at 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see, we're expired. And we won the trade. Okay, so let's just put you on pause until we get the next one. Okay, we've got a potential on the Euro USD. We're going to be trading long or up, so we're making a call trade here. And let's just get ready to potentially enter this trade. So here we go, we've entered the trade. You can see 56, 55 seconds to go. So let's just put you back on hold then, rather than obviously watch this continue to go for 46, 45, 44 seconds, etc., etc. So we're going to put you on hold and then come back to this, okay? Okay, one thing I did forget to do, folks, was just in case, get ready for the double up. See, we've now gone into a negative on this. So I'm going to trade long on this one, folks. This is our double up trade, okay? And then again, just in case, get ready for the trade, which will double up. Because this looks a little bit fast and furious here. So let's get ready, just in case we need to hit that second double up trade, okay? So as you can see, we're at 39, 38, 37. We're still in a losing situation here, folks, because we're in the red, okay? So just let's put you on pause for a few seconds rather than just hang around. Okay, well, we're getting close now, of course, to being in the losing trade. Okay, so we're going to get close, get ready now to open up, and we're going to open up. Ready for the next trade, so we've had to double up again, folks, okay? So as again now, all we're going to do, we're just going to wait and see what happens now. We're going to get ready once again, just in case we need it. Very rare that we actually go to this level, as I'm sure you'll now realize watching these videos. We're at 42 seconds, 41, so again, put you on pause for a few seconds until we see where we stand. Okay, 5, 4, well, get ready because it's just literally moved into the side, so I'm going to open the trade again. Right, very rare, folks, that we're in this situation, okay? It's not very often I actually need to play this one, but just in case again, just in case we need to hit that trade again, okay? So now let's wait and see what happens here. 44 seconds, 43, 42. So once again, let's put you on pause and let 30 seconds or so pass. Gets a little bit boring, sat just watching this, okay? So on pause we go. Okay, returned on 4, 3, 2, 1. We're expiring, folks, okay? So there we go, we've expired. Once again, we have our winning trade. So we're now back to where we were. Okay, we're now back at the 329.50. So now what we need to do is we just now need to wait for the next potential trade, okay? Let's put you on pause until something comes up. Now, it seems, by the way, that we're on this particular trade, we had a little bit of consolidation there, and that's that's the issue, really, that we hit there. But it happens. You know, nothing's perfect here, folks. It happens. But as you say, following this particular strategy, we have got an extremely high win rate, as you now know, watching these videos. So let's just put you on pause and wait for the next potential entry. Okay, folks, we've got a potential GBP USD. We'll be making a call or up or long trade on this one. So let's just get ready for the potential entry on this. There we go. I've entered the trade. So we're in an up trade now. So we're in the long call, okay? We're in the long call. What we're going to do, and here we have some sort of announcement. What we've got the cards coming up shortly. So I'll just silent that, okay? Back to the GBP. I'm going to get ready just in case we need to double up here, folks. We'll be calling, making a call, an up trade, okay, just in case. So once again, let's put you on hold until we get a bit closer the timeout. Okay, we're on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, we're expiring there. So we have another winning trade. Okay, we're now at the 333 euros. So let's just put you on hold once again then until we can get another potential trade. Okay, well, we've got nothing happening at the moment, a potential GBP, but I'm not quite happy with what I'm looking at, so I'm just going to pass on that one for the time being. And let's see where we stand with the GBP. It will be an up call if I'm going to make the call. I'm just going to hold back on that. That's not quite hit where we want to hit. Okay, so back on pause. Okay, we've got a potential Euro USD. If we're going to make the call, we're going to make it as a call, which is an up trade, okay, which is long. So let's get ready. I think that is... Tell me we've got a USD at 2 o'clock. A couple of USD, low and medium at 2 o'clock. So we're half an hour away from that. So we could potentially take a trade. But that's now unfortunately taken me away from my entry on the Euro, which is fine. There's always another trade, folks. Always another trade. So until the next one comes along, I'm going to put you back on hold. We didn't hit that one. Okay, folks. Well, we're sort of... we're just 27 minutes or so away from these two announcements here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this on hold. I'll take a look after the announcements and decide whether or not I'm going to come back and have a little bit more trading time, okay? So I'm just going to call it a day now unless I see a really good setup, because 15 minutes before announcements is generally when I wouldn't trade. But in between that, if I see a really good setup, I'll just come back and show you the trade. Otherwise, I'm going to wait now until after the announcements, okay? So back on pause. Okay then, folks, I quite like the move that we're getting on the USD CAD now. Unfortunately, on the USD CAD, we're not quite where I want to be, or 15 minutes after, that is. That's my rule, 15 minutes after announcements. Sorry, 15 minutes after announcements before we can actually trade again, okay? And nowhere else just yet, and I've got to nip out, so I'll come back later, or maybe tomorrow morning. We'll see, folks. Thank you very much for your time again. Okay, we're now on our 5th day of trading, our 60-second options, okay? So you can see we're at 8:22, it's Wednesday, the 27th of February, and there we go, we've got our 333 euros, okay? So let's get ready for a nice little trading session then, as we say, on the 60-second options. I'm going to put you on pause until I get my first potential entry. Okay then, folks, we've got a potential on GBP, so let's have a look and try and set this up. GBP USD, and we're going to be going up or making a call. So we're all ready now if everything comes together. Still waiting for it. As I say, nothing wrong with getting prepared, preparing yourself and being ready for it, but if it doesn't come together, you simply don't take the trade. So back on pause until everything comes together. Well, the GBP so far is not coming along, so let's have a quick look at what we've got as far as news alerts. We've got Euro, 2 Euro, 3 Euro, a medium and 2 low coming up. Then we've got some GBP at 9.20. So again, just a little bit wary of that. So you just keep it in the back of your mind so we know that it's coming along, okay? And we're still waiting for a setup, so back on pause. Okay, the GBP is potentially going to give us that trade then, so we'll get ready for that now. Get ready to open the trade, so let's get ready. And there we go, we should be in the trade now. Now, once again, what we're going to do is we're going to get ready for that double up. Okay, so we're going to increase it to 10 euro, potential double up, okay. And get ready for the next trade. Again, we have to be very, very careful, folks, okay, when we're trading this. Just make sure that your setups come together. That's what we're looking for. Make sure that everything comes together and what we're looking for is going to play. So it has to fit the strategy. Each individual section has to come together. It's a very simple strategy that we're following, so it's quite easy to follow once you know what we're doing. Okay, so we're nearly ready. Look, we're at 18.17, so we're ready for the next trade. We're calling the next trade just in case, so we're getting ready for that open trade, just in case we lose on this one. It doesn't look like we're going to win on this one, so we're getting ready for the backup trade. So we'll get ready. Here we go then. So we're now into the second trade. Okay, so we expired, and that expired at a loss, folks. Okay, so it expired at a loss. So now what we're going to do, and this is really moving now. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get ready once again to double up, because the GBP is starting to move. It's pretty fast and furious here at the moment. So we're going to get ready just in case we need to enter the next double up trade, okay? At the moment, we've moved back into a profit, so we'll have to wait and see. So I'll just put you on hold. Remember, look, 8:39:37. Just watch the clock. You can see this is all live trading, so back on pause until we get a little bit closer. Okay, so we're getting close here to closing out. Okay, you can see 8:40. You can see it's live. So there we go. We won the trade. Okay, so we're back to a profit again. We're back in profit, 335 now. So now what we do is we now wait for the next trade opportunity. So let's go back on pause. And let's just double check here. Our news, 9 o'clock. Remember, for some euro. So 18 minutes to go. I don't trade 15 minutes prior to the news. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little rest. I'm going to make myself a cup of tea, relax, and wait for that to pass then, folks, okay? Because we've got 9 o'clock, 9:10, 9:20. Then, look, we start getting at 9:30. Some high, the second estimate of GDP there, which is a high impact news. So really what we need to be doing here is GBP, look, 9:30. I'm not going to be trading here until after 9:30. And then what we'll do is we'll have a look before we get onto the euro here, Italian 10-year bond auction, again, high. Okay, so there's a lot of activity today, and really, right up until 10, just after 10, so about 10:15, 10:20 is when we should maybe be looking at trading. Again, unfortunately, they might have to be going out before then, so we might not get any more trades in just now in this particular session. We've only managed to get one trade there, but let me just put this on hold, and we'll come back very, very shortly. Okay, then while we're just waiting for some of these announcements to actually pass, just to update what's happened so far this week, okay? So we've been trading over 5 days, and today is the 5th day, and we've been trading so far for just over 5 minutes, okay? So if we take in the full 5 days, we've been trading a total of just over 1 hour, 10 minutes, okay? So, as I say, it's not a lot of trading there. Remember that I've got my own account to trade as well as putting this presentation together. So we've been trading for just over 1 hour, 10 minutes over the 5 days, which, as I say, includes today. And that's increased our account by a staggering 34%, okay? We started with a €250 account. We now stand right here, look, at 335, which is a 34% increase, and that's literally by trading just over 1 hour. Okay, so we've only literally 1 hour, 10 minutes of trading has given us a 34% lift in our original account. Okay, so you can see this strategy is a great strategy. It doesn't need a lot of time to be spent looking at your screen. You can come away, come back to it, move away, come back to it. Okay, as I say, it's an extremely simple strategy. Even if you are not a seasoned trader, if you have got no experience in Forex trading, you can still follow this strategy. It's a very simple strategy, okay? So that's just to keep you up to date where we currently stand. As I say, it's literally just over an hour, 1 hour, 10 minutes of trading, and we've increased our account by 34% in trading that 1 hour, 10 minutes, okay? So I'm going to put you back on hold. If we manage to get some more trading in, then that's great. If we don't, then I'll catch you on Monday. Sorry, I'll catch you tomorrow, on Thursday, and we'll take another look then. But until then, let's just put it on hold, and as I say, if something comes along, we can take a look. But certainly I don't look to be trading now until after 10 a.m., so I'll come back then. Good morning, folks. It's 8:55. It's Thursday, the 28th of February. Whilst I was setting up this particular recording session, I did take a trade, lost it, and then I doubled up, of course, so got it back. So we're at €336 now. I'm just going to check the calendar. I know we've just had a euro announcement, but we've got another couple of euro announcements, medium impact at 10 a.m., so we need to be mindful of those. So as we've just had an announcement, I'm just going to give it a few minutes to settle down, and then we'll start looking for some trades. So until then, I'm going to put you on hold. Okay then, folks, we've potentially got a trade on the USD CHF. Okay. So let's watch this from, it's going to be a put down trade. So let's get ready for that potential trade there, if we're ready for it. Here we go. I think we're getting, it's getting pretty close to that. So we're going to trade on this. So we're going to have a down trade, of course, here. Okay. Now what we're going to do, in actual fact, I've gone in with €20 there, instead of the €5 that I should have used in actual fact. Okay, but it doesn't matter. Let's see how we go with this. So we've got 34 seconds to go, so I'm just going to put you on pause, rather than wait all those seconds. Okay, so just put you on pause and we'll come straight back to it. Okay then, folks, we're back here. It was expiring, and we took that. Okay, so we won that, and we won the €34. So we're now at 350. There we go. That's just I should have been looking at that, folks. I should have been looking. It should have been at the €5, and it wasn't. But there you go. Anyway, it just shows you how much I trust the strategy. There we go. So we won that particular trade now. So once again, we just now need to watch and wait for the next opportunity. So back on hold. Okay, folks. Actual fact, no, it's not quite. I was going to say that we've actual fact maybe got another trade coming up there, but no, it doesn't look like it's coming in. In actual fact, yes, here we go. We've got a potential here for a GBP USD. We're going to be trading up, okay, so we're going to be making a call on the GBP USD. It's not quite there yet, but I'll keep you informed. I'm going to put you on hold, just in case it hits, and then I'll bring you back online so that we can, in actual fact, look to take the trades. Okay, so I'll bring you back online if we get close to it. Okay, GBP then. It's not quite hit. I would like it to have hit, folks, so I'm going to pass on that. Again, patience is always key. Back on hold until the next one hits. Okay then, folks, well, looking at the calendar, we've got a couple of euro announcements again at 10, so we're only 15 minutes away or 16 minutes away from that now. So again, I'm just going to have to hold off until after those announcements. So I'm going to put you on pause again. I'll be straight back after those announcements, okay? Okay then, folks. Well, we can start looking at potential trades again. We've potentially got a Euro USD. If we're going to be making this trade, it'll be a call trade. So what we need to do is just wait, basically, to make sure everything comes together. If it doesn't, of course, then we'll just wait again and move on to the next opportunity. So I'm just going to put you on hold until we see where we are. Okay, well, before the Euro USD, I've got a potential CAD, USD CAD trade. This will be a down trade. So we're going to go into this down. Oh, dear me, once again. I've obviously left the account too long there before I've used it, so it's actually logged me out, okay? Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do, folks. What we're going to do is I'm going to leave this now. I'll potentially come back and have a chat with you tomorrow, Friday. Okay, so we'll leave that here now. At the moment, we're at the 350 euros. Okay, so what we are is we have got. Let's have a look. We are so far. Just hold on. Let me put you on pause until I have a look at this. So we're at 350 euros. We started as 250, so we are 40% up on our account during this first 5 or is it 6 days of trading now. So let's leave it at that then, and as I say, we'll catch up potentially tomorrow. If not, then I'll be back online with some more recording on Monday. Catch you then.